I said, like at the start of May, I said to myself that I'm not gonna check my results until 24th of May. And I still haven't checked it yet. I'm probably gonna check it after my exam. So I wanted to just make this video because I actually didn't have any videos lined up for today. Even though today had an exam, I kind of uh, I kind of spent all of yesterday like doing nothing basically, like genuinely. Like I did my workouts, I ate right, I did the things I need to be consistent in. But yesterday I just felt so off, and I feel like this past week just flew by so fast. So I don't know. I probably so the reason I'm making this video is because I'm gonna check my results later, but I just wanted to make like a prediction of what I think like is gonna happen. Like this is for me. I'm not gonna give you any consistency tips in this video. So if you wanna click off, you can click off. I already saw the subs because like they show next to your amount of videos created. I had 51 subs in like around 20th of April. Now I have 71, I think. I'm pretty sure 71 subs or something close to that. So from 51 to 71, that's like 20 subs. That's good. That's genuinely good. Like it took me so long to go from 0 to 50, and then from now 50 to 70, that's like nothing. It's like 1 month, that's nothing. Like genuinely nothing. For my viewers, I genuinely don't know. Last time I checked, it was around 4K, with 3.1K being shorts and 900 being long form. But I haven't actually like posted any shorts in the past month. So I don't know if like it's gonna rise or it's gonna go down. I like to think that it's gonna be at least 1,000 views. Like among everything, it's gonna be at least 1,000 views, and that's not unrealistic to think. So at least 1,000 views. We got the two main things: views and subs. I also want to check how many people bought the consistency guide, the $50 one and the free one. And I want you, if anybody's watching this, I have a course coming up that I'm going to release. It's going to be a course basically guiding you through everything. So stay tuned for that one. The reason I sound so tired is because yesterday I woke yesterday I slept at like 9:30 ish. I slept around 9:30, and I usually sleep around 9, but the past week I've been sleeping around 12 because like it's my last exam and I've just been like ruining everything basically. So the past week I've been sleeping around 9. So I'm trying to go back from 12 to 9, just focus on all of those, and life is going to be good, like genuinely. I'm gonna My goal for the summer is to like finish the course, with the videos, because the way it's going to be like it's going to be like a video and the text, like like text explaining the video. So if people want to watch the video, they can watch it. If people want to read it, they can read it. And the way I tell my students to view the course, it's to read the text and then watch the video, because then they'll understand more of the video, because the video has more examples and stuff. So I want to finish the course, and a goal I want to make is I want to basically make all the 7 videos in one day for the entire week. And then after I do that, I want to cut it down to 3 videos a day. So it's gonna be 7, and then 3 videos for the rest of the week. So in 1 week, I should 18 videos plus 6, plus 7. 18 videos plus 7, that's 25. So 25 videos in a week. And if I make 25 videos a week, I can probably chill and focus more on the course, or focus more on making higher quality videos, editing, all of that. So the goal now is to just like I've been uploading for the past month. That's good. I've established the first thing, which is just upload anything. Now I have to gradually make my content better every single upload since I have the free time. So what you're expected to see is videos with timestamps, videos that are clearer, videos that like make you understand the topic faster, videos that are shorter, videos that have thumbnails, have some editing. I'm not gonna give you a lot of big things, but they should have some editing, they should have some thumbnails, just so the learner, like if someone were to watch it, if I was watching this video for education, how would I want it to be? Because if like the way it's at now, I'm just speaking and you have to watch the entire thing. But the ways I can improve is I can like add subtitles, I can add like tip 1, tip 2, tip 3, tip 4, so that it's like a recap. And then I can like recap you in the video, I can give you more examples, I can give you better examples, all of that. So I want to just like make the quality of the videos higher and higher. And the way I will do that is by not having the pressure of scripting and recording every day. So if I don't have that, I can focus more on the other stuff. Anyways, I have to get this video out so that I can study, so that I can probably get a good grade. I mean, anything less than 100, anything less than 100 is like, it's too low, genuinely. If you saw the exams I'm doing, you genuinely say that it's literally like, it's a programming exam. It's like, there's going to be like a coding questions, and there's going to be questions where you read the code and discover the output, and there's also going to be like definition questions. And like all of that, genuinely, like anything less than 100, genuinely, it's too low, because like the amount of tinkering I had to do to get to the point where I understand all of the code was genuinely next level. That's all. Genuinely, that's all. If you are interested in the course, join the Discord, because I'm gonna upload it there as well, so that you don't have to join. If you're interested in the course, join the Discord, and if you have any questions, join the Discord. If you're if you're new to consistency but you don't know where to start, go to the Consistency Jump Starter in the description below.